Hey guys, it's Sarah with Black Pearl Limousine and the Raw and the Flesh. I want to tell you about an exciting new service that we're offering during these socially distanced times. They are called mini pop-up parties, and basically think of you and your households, whether you're celebrating a bar mitzvah, whether you're celebrating a wedding, a proposal, a serenade, a graduation. We miss each other. We want to see each other. Zoom calls are great. So are the drive-by parties. But how nice would it be to have small, quick, socially distance visits? What we do is we decorate the whole inside of the vehicle. We provide the decor, the beverages, the pastries, anything that you want. We personalize it to you, your music, Google Chrome, and the service also has Apple TV. And we get to the place, we're like a roving circus. We set up shop, the chauffeur rolls out a red carpet. You've got folding chairs 6 feet apart. Everybody socializes, they schmooze, they get to have a face-to-face conversation. And then we gotta go. 15, 20 minutes max, we gotta go. It's safe for everybody. You can see your loved ones. We're outside, we're socially distanced, and the visits are short. Please call us for packages. We have all different kinds. And thank you so much. Be well, be safe, and thanks for supporting small businesses.